Could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but original. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, you would always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me, baby. I'm married little Christmas, love. And have your.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Welcome to my new subscribers. My name is Rashida. I am known here in by Rush. Today we're doing a wig installation. Wig details will be down in my description, so if you are interested in this unit, go ahead and utilize my description bar. This here is 180 density, 28 inches. She came in this 1B color. I dyed the unit using the Revlon box colors in natural black. Think so. I'm using my glueless method to install this unit using this Ibn spray. This one is specifically for lace. So if you haven't tried the blue one, go ahead and try it. It is strong. It gives you a strong hold. Second time using this, using not really a ball cap method, but I'm using a cap. I was wearing this unit. It's my second time installing the unit, and this time I noticed a difference when I use a cap. The lace is transparent, so whatever is behind or under the lace takes the color off that. So even though I did bleach my knots slightly, I noticed a huge realistic scalped difference when I applied my cap. This cap was not purchased by me. It was purchased by me, but I did not go out and purchase it separately. It came with the unit. So the color, I have to save this color cap, because if you look at that root, I did pluck that root right there, that part, because I was wearing this unit in a center part the last time I wore it. So it's giving scalp, people. I was shook when I saw the part and the cap color. The cap color is for me. So I went ahead and started my melting process. This part I need some getting used to. For me, having that tight thing around my head, it gives me a headache. I have to be transparent and honest. I'm so not used to tying anything around my head like that. So I did receive a small little headache after the wig installation, but I guess it takes some getting used to, or just don't tie your melting band too tight. So before I start my unit, I like to do this process. I like to get a blow dryer. It doesn't have to be this one. This one is from Revlon. I like to blow out my hair. Even though it's not wet, I still like to give it a nice blow out. I found that my curls are extremely fluffy and nice. I haven't put any products in the hair. This is just me styling, doing my thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really don't want to talk for the entire video. As I mentioned before, details for the unit will be down below in my description. I'm going to be melting my lace, changing my part to a side part, and I feel like it came out amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Like, comment, and share if you feel the need to. All right, see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. killer. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. I play up candlelight. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face.
too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body there you go, baby. At last, to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that